Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1989 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Okay, a logic family has threshold voltage of 2 volts, minimum guaranteed output high voltage VOH is given as 4 volts, minimum accepted input high voltage VIH is 3 volts, maximum guaranteed output low voltage VOL 1 volt, maximum accepted input low voltage VIL 1.5 volts. Its noise margin is. What is meant by these four values? So let us assume we are dealing with a logic family and you take the two logic gates, okay, of that family. Let us assume you are dealing with this is gate 1 and it is gate 2. Okay, so gate 1 output connect it to the gate 2 input. Both are going to be corresponding to the same logic family, and output of this one is going to be acting as input for the gate 2. So gate 1 output is going to be indicated as V0 and gate 2 input is nothing but Vi. Are you getting this point? Output of gate 1 is acting as input of gate 2. So that V0 with respect to gate 1, Vi we are going with respect to gate 2. Now let us assume if the node is at high. If the node is at logic high, if the node is at logic high, by that time this will be treated as VOH and VIH. So what must be the relation between these two things? Okay, whatever the high voltage it is supplied by the gate, okay, whatever the high voltage, let us assume how much voltage it is going to be supplied by gate 1, that should be accepted by the gate 2 as a logic high only. Okay, there must not be any deviation from the logic levels. Okay, the same logic level, if it is sending logic high at that time, that should be accepted as logic high only. It should not be considered as low, or it should not be considered as undefined. So that implies nothing but for that one, if you are going with VOH and VIH, VOH has to be larger than VIH. So that if you are sending some voltage as going to be high level, that will be definitely treated as high level in case of gate 2, if this condition satisfies. Similarly, if the node is at logic low level, logic low level is nothing but whenever logic low is going to be given by the gate 1. If the gate 1 output is low, at that time that low should be accepted as low only at the gate 2. By that time this will be treated as VOL and it is treated as VIL. Okay, so by that time if VOL is greater than VIL, at that time this condition, always the low level supplied by the gate 1 will be always considered as low level by the gate 2. Okay, there is no deviation in the logic levels. So the noise margin is nothing but difference between these voltages. Noise margin high implies nothing but VOH minus VIH. It has given as VOH is 4 volts minus VIH is nothing but 3 volts. That is nothing but 1 volt is noise margin high. Similarly, noise margin low implies nothing but it will be VIL minus VOL. VIL is 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5 volts. So we should what we should consider for the general noise margin. The noise margin is going to be, okay, the noise margin for this one is actual noise margin. Actual noise margin is nothing but minimum of both, minimum of noise margin high and noise margin low. Whichever is going to be minimum, that will become the actual noise margin. So noise margin of this logic family is nothing but 0.5 volts. So 0.5 volts is going to be the noise margin for this question. So that is nothing but D is the right answer. D is the right answer for this one, which is noise margin is 0.5 volts. Thank you.